out here driving Blue Dually. We're driving the Blue Dually. 2 weeks ago, sold my Alcoas, my super single Alcoas, and I ordered some new wheels. And today, I'm going to pick them up from FedEx Freight. I've been waiting 2 weeks for these suckers. So I already got my tires. No lift on this truck. 37 13.5s. So we'll see what happens with that. That's a big tire with no lift. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It should look pretty good. I'm on my way to pick up the wheels right now from FedEx Freight. So hey, let's go. All right, boys. Hey, we picked up the wheels from FedEx. We're out here at L Tire getting them mounted, bud. I hadn't even seen them yet. Opened the box. They're mounting them up right now. We'll take them back. I don't know. Might mount them up tomorrow, maybe tonight. Who knows? Hey, they're getting done. Hey, dude. Everything's mounted. They're sitting right there. 4 of them, 2 behind them. 6 wheels. We're talking about a dually here, boys. 6 37 13.5s. I don't even know if this stock Cummins is even going to be able to turn these sumbitches. But hey, we're going to find out. I'm almost home. We're about to throw them on. It's really shitty out. It's kind of like misting. But I'm going to put them on anyway because I'm excited. But we'll probably do like a little time-lapse thing. I'm not going to show them to you until they're on the truck. Can't ruin the perspective, all right? So, hey, let's get it. Let's throw these bitches on. Jimmy. Dang. Hey, they already saw some clips of this.
Who?
In the video. They already saw a couple clips because I took some yesterday. But wheels are on, boys.
I won't pee on them.
I think it looks damn good. The only problem, got a little bit of a clearance issue with the control arm right here, full turn. I just bought striker control arms, didn't buy the notch ones because I didn't think I needed them. And now I need them, so Jimmy's gonna buy them off me.
I'm not.
But hey, next thing, we're putting Jimmy's forces on. All right?
You see that.
We're recording that too. Let's go.
Hey, why did
I need to clean these up, Jimmy. Let's get this going.
Sightseeing, get your bitch wet. Oh, that's a big flex, huh? Stock going up like 6x. You see the drip, wrist wet. Heard somebody say that I ain't made a hit yet. Had to hit him back with a quick text. Shit, couldn't tell from these big checks. I couldn't tell if you asked me. P&L looks well, I checked last week. Labor artists take a back seat. Yeah, you got a few streets.
Hey, we got Jimmy's wheels on, washed his truck. We stopped by Conwell's. Both following me right now. We're heading up to Warsaw. I guess they're having some show and shine. We're gonna just go see what's up. We didn't have anything else to do, so we're heading up there, boys. The dually is driving good. These wheels, the Bell Tire said they couldn't even balance them, but they're riding pretty damn solid, I'm not gonna lie. I'm cruising 60 right now, I'm not going that fast, but hey, we're doing good, boys. Jimmy's back there with his new black Forces. Look pretty good. He went from a polished hostile forge, which I liked a lot, but black forged, you know, Forces they're very, very nice wheels. So hey, we're heading up there, boys. We'll see what happens. All right, we'll catch you there.